Welcome to this lineup tutorial. If you're new to this channel is all about helping you become a better barber, and we're going to jump straight into it. So right here, I'm just showing you that we're going to keep everything as close to the eyebrow and as low as possible. He has a slight widow's peak, but it's going to be okay. I'm going to show you how to attack it. So with the arches, a lot of people over-exaggerate these, but if you use your sideburn as a guide and start from the bottom, it'll help you to not over-exaggerate. And notice how I'm using the corner of the blade. When you're doing the arches, you don't really have to use the entire blade. And you just want to slowly etch your way until you get that nice curve. So when you're lining the sidebars, you want to comb the hair forward. That way you get any of those small fray hairs. A lot of times when people wash their hair and they go home, they have those little hairs that stick over. But if you comb the hair forward, you help mitigate that by getting all of them with your trimmer. And I like to pull the skin, that way I get as close of a lineup as possible. And on this side, we're going to repeat the same thing with the arches. Not everyone will have a super exaggerated curve. As you can see, his curve is not super curvy, if that makes sense. But you just want to follow the natural pattern. Once again, we're going to comb everything forward. So you see he has a widow's peak, but we're not gonna have to take off that much hair. The goal is to take off as little hair as possible while still getting a straight lineup. Really the only hair that we had to take off was that in the middle, but as you can see when I get to his corners, I don't have to dig into his line. Lineups can be intimidating, but you just have to take your time. Notice how I'm not rushing through this lineup. I'm taking my time. And we're going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So in my opinion, the easiest way to approach a lineup is to start in the middle and work your way right or left. So you very well could have started in the middle and then went to the right, or you can go to the left. It really doesn't matter. Whatever is more comfortable for you. And I know it can be very tempting to push that corner, but we're not going to do that. At this point, I just want to preserve this hairline for as long as I can. And pushing it will do the exact opposite. It may look better, but once it grows back, if it grows back, it won't look as nice. And there you have it. It's pretty straightforward. By the way, if you're new to this channel and if you like what you see so far out of this video, be sure to check out the other tutorials on this channel.